Hey everyone, it is Super AG Dolls Rock, and today we're gonna be playing with a few things with Julie. Here's Julie. This is Julie Albright. This is a video about what she does on the weekends. So here we go. She does, for the first thing, is play with her PSP. Pretty cool. PSP pretty cool. And she can switch games. So that's the first thing. There is 5 things. Another one is play with her sisters. The third thing is play with her dog, Pepper, ride her bike, and the 5th thing is drive race cars and play with a lot of things. So I hope you guys really like this video. Comment, and subscribe. And the comments are down. Yes, they are. I hope. Julie wants to say something before we leave. Hi guys, well, this week you might see me doing some stuff.